Joan is the ideal candidate because she is detail-oriented, intelligent, mature, has various interpersonal skills, has a long-term commitment to the field of nursing, adaptable and flexible.
Other qualities of an ideal candidate include being able to critically think in any given situation, being honest and confident, compassionate and empathetic, effective in communication, having a sense of humor, self-directed, and a lifelong learner.
The adult learning theory is best for Joan because it emphasizes her abilities to be mature, self-directed, and respectful, the utilization of critical thinking and collaboration to solve problems. She will be able to train using a hands-on approach. The environment of the unit plays a role in the achievement of these learning behaviors and is best represented by andragogy, in which collaboration and communication are encouraged. Unit directors, nurses, providers, and support staff work together to set goals, and open communication can be facilitated.
Implications for adult learners. When developing an orientation plan, it is important to take into consideration the nurse's current performance level regarding skills and practical knowledge, as well as areas for improvement to meet individual learning needs and the goals of the organization. Learning theories are also looked at to determine the best way to implement our orientation plan relative to the nurse and the environment.
New hire orientation plan breakdown includes orientation length, competency needs, socialization to the unit, and assets and barriers. Typically, orientation lasts 2 months, with longer times and nurse residency programs available to decrease reality shock, role overload and stress, decrease turnover, and attain independency levels and transition to practice. When assessing competency needs, it first needs to be determined if the new hire has passed registered nurse state boards. Preceptors and managers can also provide feedback and evaluation on communication skills and through direct observation. Socialization to the unit includes the implementation of anticipatory socialization and shadowing opportunities, weekly check-ins allowing for open communication of the unit culture, values, coping, and adjustment and questions.
Some of the assets for learning are intrinsic reasons for learning, unique individual assets, an effective learner that knows their own abilities, and they're self-directed. Barriers for learning are low self-confidence. I would suggest giving positive feedback whenever merited. Situation and individual circumstances, the manager and the preceptor can recognize the unique individual. Other barriers are time constraints, institutional barriers, and family reactions.